Every 39 seconds, a cyber attack happens somewhere around the world. Cybersecurity and ethical hackers are in high demand and they pay bills. If you're thinking of learning cybersecurity and ethical hacking, you have made a smart decision. From personal data to national security, organizations need experts to help them defend their systems. We live in a digital world and protecting it is big business. Now, what exactly is ethical hacking? Ethical hacking is using the same tools as hackers, but instead of attacking, you protect. You learn how to identify vulnerabilities, stop attacks, and protect digital assets from threats. Now, the career and job opportunities are massive. With cybersecurity and ethical hacking skills, you can work as a cybersecurity analyst, network security engineer, information security consultant, and an ethical hacker. They are jobs both here in Nigeria and outside Nigeria, and the best part is they are remote. Tech companies, governments, and even fintech are currently hiring ethical hackers and cybersecurity specialists. Now, here is what you need to learn to become a pro: networking and operating system, Kali Linux and terminal training, vulnerability testing and penetration assessment, firewall, ID and secure architectures, ethical hacking tools, real-world attack simulation, and project-based learning. And that's where Bizmarrow Technologies comes in. We offer you practical hands-on training, project-based learning, where a trainer is assigned to you for mentoring and coaching. We don't run a crowded classroom. We keep our classroom small size for effective learning. Physical and online classes are available, so you can join from anywhere around the world. We have flexible payments and making quality tech education affordable for you. We make you job ready. This is because our training covers industry standard tools and technology. Imagine being the reason a company sleeps peacefully at night. Imagine working from anywhere around the world, protecting systems and making real impact. And that's where Bizmarrow Technologies come in. You don't need to have a degree to venture into cybersecurity and ethical hacking. All you need is the right training. So what are you waiting for? The more you wait, someone else is becoming that expert that you want to be. Register now with our cybersecurity and ethical hacking training in Abuja and start your career in that tech security field that you've always wanted. See you in class.